This is a Jansen Invader, and I'm going to change the tone of it without replacing the pickups. If you want to see how I do that, stick around for a bit. Made in Wellington, New Zealand between 1965 and 1966. This was aptly named after Ray Columbus and the Invaders. Look them up if you like that 1960s surf rock style of thing. I'm going to shift the resonant peak on these pickups using this little bad boy, thanks to Waylon Music, link in bio. Go check him out, he's got some really cool tips. And if you want more info on how this thing works, watch his video on it. Basically, it's going to add a capacitor to each of these pickups, just to shift the tone of it a bit, make them a little bit more usable. The idea of this little gizmo is so that you can play around with the different values before you actually solder them in. Really cool thing is you can use different values on each pickup. This gives a good amount of flexibility to get the sound just how you want it. But before we get to that, let's give this thing a light restoration and a really good setup. By the way, my name's Phil, and this is Rising Sun Guitar Mods. If you're enjoying watching old guitars get new life breathed back into them, hit me a like and a subscribe. And if you want to leave a comment and not sure if you should, then please do. All opinions are respected, and I will do my best to reply to all of you. The trick behind this was to do a couple of light modifications that are easily reversible, but keep as much of the originality as possible. I did clean off all the dirt. It had some sort of kind of like a mouldy thing going on around it. It's been sitting in its case for a long time. But I'm really happy with how it came up, and I think Steve, the owner of this guitar, is gonna absolutely love it. Now, being vintage pickups with lower output, they do benefit from a clean boost. But that being said, let's go have a listen. And while we're on the subject of Kiwi guitars, check out this beast. This is a Weta. These were made in, I think they're in Wellington. This is made out of kauri, and it's just so cool. There's not really too much wrong with this. This is going to get a good fret polish, give the fretboard a nice drink, give it a good setup, adjust the pickups, clean all the electrics and things like that, of course. You know, a general good quality setup and service. If you want to see that, check out this video here.